Imagine a world where we cure diseases before they even appear, where organs are grown on demand, and new forms of life are designed, almost like software. That's not sci-fi concept art anymore. It's the beginning of the bio-revolution, a moment where biology stops being something we just observe, and becomes something we can program. For most of history, life changed slowly, through evolution and chance. Then we learned the rules. Mendel showed how traits are passed down. We discovered DNA is the code of life. And now? We have tools like CRISPR, tiny molecular scissors that can cut and edit that code with surprising precision. Put simply, biology is turning into programmable technology. The first big impact is in health and medicine. Gene therapies aim to fix broken genes at the source, especially for rare genetic diseases. Researchers are growing mini organs and lab-grown tissues, hinting at a future where organ shortages could shrink dramatically. And when a new virus emerges, we can now design and test vaccines in record time, using genetic blueprints instead of years of trial and error. Medicine is slowly shifting from one-size-fits-all to personalized biology, treatments tailored to your unique genetic profile. But the bio-revolution isn't just about human bodies. We're learning to engineer crops that survive droughts, resist pests, or pack extra nutrition, crucial for feeding a growing population on a warming planet. We can design microbes that break down oil spills or plastic waste, capture carbon from the air, and produce fuels, medicines, and materials in clean biofactories instead of smoky industrial plants. It's like giving the planet a toolkit of tiny biological machines to help repair some of the damage we've done. But with great power comes a lot of uncomfortable questions. If we can edit embryos, do we risk creating designer babies and a new kind of genetic inequality? Who gets access to life-changing gene therapies, only the rich, or everyone? And who decides what's okay to engineer? A government? A company? A small research team with powerful tools? There's also the environment. Engineered organisms released into nature could help fix problems, or create new ones we don't fully understand. Looking ahead, the bio-revolution forces us to ask some big questions. How far should we go in enhancing human abilities, strength, memory, lifespan? What happens to biodiversity when engineered species coexist with natural ones? And what does natural even mean once we can rewrite the rules of life? The future of biology isn't just a scientific story. It's a societal one. The bio-revolution could give us tools to cure disease, repair the planet, and reinvent how we live. But it also demands something from us: responsible innovation, public debate, and an informed public, not just headlines and hype. Because the question is no longer can we engineer life? We already can. The real question is, what kind of future do we want to engineer?